Hello mga pamilya, ang ganda. Si Maylin and Selena. Lang. Greedy. Okay, Selena. Gusto ko siya kasi naka-boots na mataas din.
Me too, Selena.
Pero si Selena,
Lahat magaganda.
yeah. Okay. Tots na muna natin. Ako muna mag-tots. Solid talaga ang first impact nila. From vocals hanggang visuals. Hindi sila nagkulang. Ang taas ng boses ni Almira. Perfect na perfect talaga para sa mataas na parts. Tapos, ito nga yung outfits nga. Ano pa ba? Styling nila, sobrang pinaghandaan. Hairstyle, makeup, lahat on point. Ramdam mo yung power at professionalism nila kasi doon sa kanta may lyrics silang iniba, ginawa nilang sisters. Bagay din naman talaga sa kanila yung kanta na Golden. Ayan, talagang ibang level talaga performance nila. Kaya, nasarapan ako panoorin at pakinggan sila. Kaya, rating natin, rating ko dito ay 100% perfect yan, perfect. Ikaw naman.
This is now the song of the year. Kasi, sobrang dami na nag-cover nito. Different versions, and all of them are amazing, di ba? Tama ba yung sasabihin ko? Parang ito yung comfort zone nila. Alam mo yun, yung hindi confidence sila. Comfort zone, para silang mga Korean. Yeah. Absolutely, talaga, stunning yung cover nila nito. Kasi, parang, hindi sila hirap. Parang, bagay na bagay, parang ginawa yung kanta nito para sa kanila. Yung vocals nila were so clean, and the harmonies on point. You can really tell their years of experience and how natural their chemistry as sisters, di ba? It wasn't just about hitting high notes. There was emotion and soul in the delivery. Yung quality of their performance is truly world class.
True.
It already felt like a live concert. Overall, ito na, another solid proof that they deserve all the recognition they're getting worldwide. 100.